tuned into the Tobago Festivals Network. Previously, on Rubber Pocket, no have no bottom. In episode 2, we go back just before Tamaya was arrested. She just come back home from an early morning rendezvous with Malcolm down a bay. Lucinda the Mako, she done bring back the news and gishi mama. Well, big brawler Miss in place between Lucinda and Tamaya. Same time, Officer Weston pull up and lock up the gyal about she man thieving ways.
Officer, when I tell you this coffee tastes nice, yes? I like my coffee strong and black, just like I like my...
Whoa. On with it, Miss Lucinda. Please tell me what you know. And if you intend to waste the police time, it will be taken as an objection of justice.
Well, you tell me sit down so you can ask me some questions. You forget?
Yes. And I ask the question, tell me what you know.
Well, tell me something, officer. You ever hear anything about me?
Lucinda, answer the question. What have you heard about Frank's missing boat engine?
Oh, well, you didn't say that all the time. So what happened was... you could give me a next cup of coffee?
Lucinda, I better charge you for objection of justice. You are wasting police time and... Look, leave the station. Leave the station, please. Leave the station.
Lucinda, where you going? You done already?
Yes, I'm going home. Officer Wheelbarrow sent me home.
Just so? You make the statement? My name, Claire?
No.
So you lied then?
Miss Tamaya Cupid, please come in. And I hope you have something substantial to offer this time. Since your auntie think today is Clown the Constable Day.
You can't get clown if it's not a clown. Good evening, everybody.
Okay, Lucy, we go pick up. I go call you when I reach home.
Hello?
Don't hang up. It's me.
Where are you? I'm in the police station now. Malcolm, what is this you get me into?
Baby, you know me better than anybody. You know I ain't still no engine. It's just a little mix-up happen. Trust me, Frank and I sorting it out. You don't need to make no statement in the Tamaya. That gonna make things worse.
So what it has happened with the engine? They come in my mother's house looking for me, you know. You know how embarrassed I feel?
I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry. But trust me when I tell you it was a mistake. I ever do anything to harm you?
No.
I ever disappoint you?
No.
And I ain't gonna start now. Them damn police always judging you for your past mistakes. Trust me, everything will be sorted. You feel you could do me one more thing?
What? The police don't believe I is our accomplice.
It's something to help prove your innocence, and it's just a small thing. This is just a mistake. I let my partner call and give the police the location for the boat engine as an anonymous tip. All I need from you is to pretend as if you ain't know nothing.
Malcolm, you have the engine in truth?
I find it times.
Malcolm, you want me to protect you, but you're lying to me?
I'm not lying, babe. It was behind the community center in the old wrought iron rubble. Wrapped up in black plastic.
Malcolm, you're putting me in a difficult place.
I know, Tams, and I'm sorry. I never wanted you to get mixed up in things like this, you know. But it was a mistake, baby. I'm telling you, I would never put you through something like this. I love you. And I want to marry you and put we initials on that boat and sail to Grenada still. You want to go with me still?
Of course, Mal.
So you still love me? You believe me?
Yes, I love you. And I know you didn't do this. Malcolm?
Yeah, baby?
Why are you calling from my home phone?
Miss Cupid, we are ready for your statement now.
Just now, officer. Let me just answer this call. Hello. Good evening. What? Where you see them? Okay. I'm in the station now. Hang up. I'll call you back if anything. What manner of evil fall upon me today, Father.
Ma, what happened?
Officer, my neighbor just called, say she see two strange men walking around my yard with a big duffel bag. We have to go now, officer.
Wait. Malcolm, why are you calling from my home phone?
Tamaya!
This episode was brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited and sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly.